I'm Gabrielle, and hi again if y'all are back for more. Today's video, my husband helped me out by showing you how to barbecue tri-tip, and I know that this cut of meat is a little different. In some parts of the country we call it different things, but it is similar to brisket, just a different cut. I have to thank Sam and Kat for getting us hooked on the kinder seasonings. I literally stocked up. So you will want to make sure that you season both the fatty as well as the non-fatty side. And he was just repeating this process with every one of his seasonings of choices this evening. If y'all are a carnivore and you love meat, share with me how you like to eat your meat. My favorite is medium rare. After this was seasoned, Michael put this in the fridge so it could marinate overnight. You excited? I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited too. I can't tell you how many times I've had something on the barbecue and I think it's done, and lo and behold, it's not. And then it's like raw. Always good to have one of these handy for sure. Obviously, I just put this on the barbecue not too long ago. Fat side up and then rotate accordingly. But I will definitely be using this thermometer whenever I think it's good to go, just because I want to make sure the inside's actually cooked. With this cut, they put a nice little line here in the center, so it's going to help the insides cook quicker and easier. So once it cooks here on the fat side down, I'm going to put it up here and, low heat and cook the center. This is a food thermometer. We were sent this. If you're interested in this product, I'll have a link below. Check it out. Let's see where we're at.
We checked 3 different spots on the meat just to make sure it was cooked all the way, and this thermometer is really nice and compact. It's a nice yellow color, which is my favorite color. The screen is very visible to see. It does check in Celsius as well as Fahrenheit. If you are in the dark, you will need a flashlight to view the screen because it does not light up. There is a clip on the back, and it does have batteries to start you off on the right foot. Also, I like this shield that it has to protect the needle so it doesn't get damaged. Here are just a couple of sides we had. We had some rice, broccoli, and we were doing some onion rings in the air fryer. Here's the finished look of it all. I snuck a piece here just because I wanted to try it. It was so yummy. Daddy made this really special. Is it yummy? You like it? Mmm. So yummy. So yummy. So excited. Yummy.
Yummy.
All right, Adelina's ready to eat too. We got broccoli?
Mommy.
Is it yummy, baby girl? I think someone liked it. When they dance, it means something like it. Woo! Oh, someone's jumping. Declan, do you like it?
I'm gonna show you in 2 seconds. Hey guys, it's fine. Sit down and just enjoy your meal, man.
It's yummy. I've already tasted it. So, Daddy, it's your turn to dance.
You want me to stay on that chair?
Yeah, I dare you.
Open your mouth.
No.